Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate iMessage on new iPhone. First time setup step by step clearly. Turn on your new iPhone and complete the basic setup until you reach the home screen. Confirm your SIM card is inserted or that your eSIM is activated with your carrier. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network or enable cellular data for activation to work. Open the Settings app from the home screen. Tap Sign into your iPhone if you are not already signed in with an Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID email and password, then follow the prompts to finish signing in. Go back to the main settings screen after the sign-in completes. Scroll down and tap Apps if your iPhone uses the newer iOS settings layout. Tap Messages to open the iMessage settings page. Turn on the iMessage switch. Wait a moment while iMessage attempts to activate in the background. If you see an activation error, keep Wi-Fi on and try again in a few minutes. Tap Send and Receive to check which addresses can use iMessage. Make sure your phone number and Apple ID email are selected under you can receive iMessages to and reply from. If your phone number is not showing, confirm you can send regular SMS text messages. If needed, restart the iPhone to refresh network registration and activation. Return to Settings, then Messages, and verify iMessage is still switched on. Choose your default iMessage sender by selecting your phone number or email under Start New Conversations from. Go back one screen and enable MMS messaging if you want group texts with non-Apple users. Enable Send as SMS so messages can still send when iMessage is unavailable. Set text message forwarding only if you also want messages on your iPad or Mac later. Now open the Messages app to test iMessage. Tap the Compose button to start a new message. Enter a contact who uses an iPhone, or type an email address linked to an Apple ID. Type a short message and tap Send. Check that the message bubble appears blue, which confirms iMessage is working. If it stays green, confirm the recipient uses iMessage and recheck your network connection. If activation still fails after waiting, update iOS and Settings, then General, then Software Update, and try again. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more clear iPhone setup guides. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.